Congratulations and very best wishes to all members of the Senedd on your election. This is a pivotal moment, not just for Wales, but for our universities too. Universities across Wales play a vital role in our economy and in our communities. They support thousands of jobs, work with local businesses, and help drive innovation and growth. They also deliver the higher level skills that Wales needs to succeed in a rapidly changing world. But our universities are under real pressure. Demand for higher level skills from employers and the wider Welsh economy is rising, while financial challenges are making it harder to plan for the future. At the same time, fewer people in Wales are entering higher education, widening the gap with the rest of the UK. In light of these challenges, a strong, cross-party partnership between the Senedd and the higher education sector is crucial in ensuring universities can continue to deliver for our communities. We look forward to working with you all throughout this Senedd term to build a stronger, fairer and more prosperous Wales.